Hi friends. We've got some great stuff coming up at the library now that it's summer, and I want to show you what's going on this week when you come in to pick up your packet for a Fishy Father's Day. Father's Day is next week Sunday, and you might want to make something cool for your dad or someone else special in your house, because families look all different. We have lots of books about dads and kids, and books about different kinds of families too. So whoever's in your family that you want to celebrate, come on in and get one of these packets while supplies last. I want to show you what's in here, and whoa, that's going to happen at your house too. So maybe you'll be more careful than I was. When you empty out your packet, you're going to see a lot of different materials here. The reason we're calling it a Fishy Father's Day is because we're going to make a fish. It's not. This is how it starts out looking. It's a wooden fish. Of course, you're very creative, so you might. Oh, the story here is about fish, and she wanted to come check it out. So, thanks, Dory. See the fish? Yeah, she sees the glue. Glue is an important part of this project. We've got the fish. We've got tissue paper, beads. We've got a feather in here somewhere, some wire, and what we're going to do with all these things is to put them together into something like this. Something just like that. What do you think, Story? Clearly this is a good way to either catch a fish or catch a cat. We can have all kinds of fun with our special Father's Day gift. So what we're going to do with it is you'll start out with your wooden fish shape, and we've got this tissue paper in here and a stick to use to glue it onto here to make it colorful if you want to make a rainbow fish. Do you know the book Rainbow Fish? We have that one at the library too. So I'm just going to start. I'm going to give you an idea of how to get it going, and I'm sure you'll figure it out, or you might even have your own way of doing it. But I'm going to just spread the glue out. It's not going to taste good, Story. That's a good lesson for everyone. We all know that. Story's not as smart as we are. And we're going to, then we can just press our tissue on there. Oh no, and we're not going to eat the tissue either. I think Story might need to go somewhere else. She is not being a good helper. So we put all the tissue in place, cover the whole thing. When that side is dry, we could even cover the other side and do both of them. Not yummy. And once we have all that in place, oh my goodness, she is loving this tissue paper. That's not going to be good. It'll be super fun in the litter box in a few days. Okay. After we glue on all of our tissue, we're going to want to glue his eyes on. So once we have our fish all put together, we'll put the wire through the hole in there, bring it up around, and give it a twist. If this is tricky for you, if any part of this is tricky for you, of course, that's what grown-ups are for, and they're there to help. Or older brother and sister can help. So once I've got that in there, twist it around, I'll string the beads on here. And seriously, I don't know what happened to my feather, but you'll have a feather in your packet too, and what you'll do with the feather is stick it right next to your wire while you're stringing the beads, and that'll just hold it right in place. Once you've got as many beads on there as you want, you can wrap it down again. I left a loop here because I thought, well, who knows what Dad might want to use this for. He could always unwrap the wire and add it to something. He could hang it up in the window. You could use it as a cat toy. Or you could hang it on the rear view mirror in the car or truck. That would look cool. And remember how much you love Dad or your special family person. Okay, so that's the basics of that. Also included in your packet are going to be some other fun surprises. How about some games to do together? That's always great. That's like the best thing about loving people and having them love you. is that when you get to do things together and spend time together, that's a super gift. So we've got some of that kind of thing. Also, we've got a trophy. And some of you know that when you're in a fishing competition, because I know some of you have been there, you sometimes win a trophy for being the best. And your dad or person might be the best at something like fishing. They might be the best at cooking. They might be the best at giving hugs. There's so many things. So you can design your own trophy here to show what your dad is best at. So I think that's going to get you started, ready to have a really fun Father's Day. So don't forget to come in. Also, if you haven't gotten your schedule yet for our summer activities, come by the library and pick one up. It tells all about what's going to be going on. We will be having lots more updates on it because some of the things on the schedule we weren't quite sure about. So stay in touch and you'll see our summer theme is called Reading Colors Your World. So, pretty sure that's what it's called. Yes, it is. It says so on my poster. So it's going to be lots of fun. We're going to do lots of art things, reading things. We'll have book clubs. You name it, we'll do it. Come on in. See you soon. Bye-bye.